So hi friends, I am Nitesh, and as I discussed in my first video that I have been learning English for last 3 months, and as I told you, when the lockdown was enforced by the government, at that point I have decided to learn English speaking, and I am working on that for last 3 months. So what is my experience about learning English and speaking English, I can say, and what are the tools and measures that I have adopted for enhancing my speaking practices. So today I will discuss about one of the most important features of Google, which helps me a lot during my journey of English speaking, because at the time of lockdown or pandemic, to find a friend or a teacher who translate your native sentence, native word into English is very difficult. But Google provides us a very important feature. With the help of that, we can translate our whole sentence or a particular word into a English language. When I thought that I will read English newspaper on daily basis to enhance my vocabulary, to enhance the grammatical part. So when I started reading newspaper, I feel very difficulty to understand the sense of the sentence, because sometimes when we search for a particular word, so the meaning of the word is different, and when we look over the whole sentence, so the meaning of the sentence differently goes on. So it was the main difficulty with me, or I hope so all are the beginners face this difficulty. With the help of this app, with the help of this app, I reduce my translation time, or I can say it convert your whole English sentence into your Hindi language or your native language in which you want to translate your English sentence just in a 1 second. Yeah. So here we have a app which can translate any English sentence or any English news only in 1 second. That's why I'm saying to understand the English newspaper in 1 second. That was the tagline of my video. So, for feeling better understanding about this app, I made a video or a practice exercise with that I will show you further in this video. It will definitely grow up your sensing regarding English languages, understanding of the sentences, or you did not get frustrated while reading newspaper, because sometimes we feel that the headlines of the newspaper and the vocabulary of the newspaper or the grammatical part used by the newspaper at some high level, so it is very difficult for understanding the news. So let's get started a practice exercise with Google Translate. Now the first thing that we have to do is to download the Google Translate app. For this, go to the Play Store and type Google Translate and download the app for free. Now After downloading the app, go to the Google, any of the news from the newspaper. Here we have a news related to coronavirus, and we just want to translate whole the news from English to Hindi. For that, what we have to do, we have to do one simple thing is to copy all the text that you want to translate from English to Hindi. Here I copied and paste the news into Google Translate. So here we see it takes only 1 second to translate whole the sentence from English to Hindi. In 99% case, it translates correctly. Sometimes it may be possible that the sense of the sentence is not according to the actual pronunciation and actual sense, but 99% cases I have seen it convert the sentence from English to Hindi very effectively and very accurately. So here we have a news: a player and support staff test positive for the coronavirus in Dubai ahead of the IPL. So as a beginner, it is very difficult to understand the languages, to understand the phrases, and sometimes the sense of the sentences. So as I guess that it may be very helpful for beginners to understand the newspaper, because it is very common difficulty for all the beginners is to read newspaper and sense it in a very correct way. So here we translate the whole sentence within a second. Let's come to another sentence. We go to the news and take other sentence. The same step we follow. Copy the sentence and just paste here. So you all see that it takes only 1 second to convert the sentence from English to Hindi. So here is a team known for its resilience and the ability to fight back has been rocked even before the first ball has been bowled in the upcoming IPL. एक टीम जो अपने लचीलेपन के लिए जानी जाती है और आगामी आईपीएल में पहली गेंद फेंके जाने से पहले ही वापस लड़ने की क्षमता पर जोर दिया है। सो यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं जो सितंबर में आईपीएल मैच होना है, उससे पहले ही दुबई में एक प्लेयर एंड सपोर्ट स्टाफ कोरोना पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं। सो it is very easy to understand the sense of the newspaper, and if we go continuous this thing, so it will go definitely better and better after passing some time with it. Here we have one more features in Google Translate. All the sentences that you have searched are saved in your save memory for future reference or for revision of the sentences, vocabulary. Here I also have so many vocabulary and so many sentences, and I don't need to get any hard copy or any written material. I always search a meaning from this app, and whenever I get spare time, I got revised all the meanings from there. So it is the most key tools that I have strongly suggest for all the beginners to understand the newspaper very effectively and efficiently. Thank you.